This is our SEB 236, very similar to our SEB 228 in both performance and functionality. However, the 236 has some beautiful design elements and some convenience features that you have to see in action. All right, girls, give me some room to work. Scoot! I'll feed you later. Go.
The SEB 236 has an elegant LED headlight that will assure nothing will escape.
The SEB 236 has an automatic standby switch. By simply lifting the handle, the power nozzle will automatically turn itself off. I then simply remove what's in the way, release the handle back, and the power nozzle will automatically start. Now, if I accidentally vacuum something that I shouldn't, it's not a problem. The SEB 236 will automatically turn itself off. I simply hit the reset switch, and back to work I go.
DC39 has radial route cyclone technology with remodeled airways to maximize suction and reduce turbulence and noise. It captures more dirt and microscopic dust than any other cyclone. Conventional wheeled vacuum cleaners can be awkward, heavy to pull, head the wrong way, and unexpectedly collide with obstacles. DC39 has ball technology, which means that it steers smoothly and turns on a dime. It's the only canister vacuum cleaner with a central steering mechanism for greater control. Dyson engineers carefully design the machine's key components to fit inside the ball, creating a low center of gravity and increasing stability. DC39 comes with the trigger head tool, the only turbine head with a brush bar activated at the handle, so no bending down is required. And when you're finished, it's easy to empty.
Your kitchen is the center point of your home, so your hard floors are often full of life's little messes. Having a more efficient and convenient cleaning tool leaves you more time to do the things you love. The Hard Floor Expert Deluxe from Bissel is designed to be gentle on your hard floors, but tough on dirt and debris. Hard Floor Expert Deluxe features a turbine hard floor dusting tool designed with soft bristles to safely pick up dirt and fine debris. Hard Floor Expert Deluxe maximizes cleaning with powerful suction, but with its non-marring wheels, you can clean without scratches, scuffs, or marks, leaving your floors looking their best. For the more delicate surfaces in your home, Hard Floor Expert Deluxe is equipped with variable suction, so with a touch of the fingertip controls, you can quickly and conveniently adjust your cleaning power. Hard Floor Expert Deluxe has been engineered with the features that matter, so you can maximize the cleaning of the hard floors you love in one compact, easily storable unit. Hard Floor Expert Deluxe, designed with your home in mind.
Household vacuum cleaners and regular utility vacs cannot pick up ashes. The filters are not fine enough. They can also become a fire hazard if they happen to pick up any warm ash. So up until now, you're stuck cleaning up ashes the old-fashioned way. Introducing the PowerSmith 3-in-1 Ash Vacuum. This vacuum is specifically designed to clean warm and cool ash out of fireplaces, wood stoves, pellet stoves, and barbecue grills. The heart of this machine is its 2-layer heat-resistant filter. The outer layer is heat-resistant, allowing the machine to pick up warm ash up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The inner layer is designed to trap the finest dust and ash. Most ash vacuums have a standard paper filter cartridge, which can only handle cold ash and also tends to clog. The filter in the PowerSmith ash vacuum resists clogging because of its large surface area and unique flexible design. The metal hose and canister on the PowerSmith ash vacuum make the whole machine heat resistant. And just in case, the motor has an auto shutoff feature which turns off the machine if heat inside the canister ever reaches dangerous levels. A powerful 10-amp motor is another reason why this ash vacuum doesn't clog like the competition, but it runs at a quiet noise level of only 79 decibels. The 5.2-gallon canister holds up to 3 gallons of ashes. An ash level indicator shows how full the canister is at any time. When the indicator reads completely red, it is time to empty the ash vacuum. To empty the ash vacuum, simply unlock the motor head, gently shake off the filter, and empty the canister. The filter is washable, and replacement filters are available at your local dealer. The PowerSmith 3-in-1 ash vacuum comes equipped with extension wands and a floor and carpet nozzle so it can be used as a regular utility vac. Casters and a 16-foot extension cord give you lots of mobility. And if you switch the hose from the intake port to the exhaust outlet, this vacuum turns into a blower. 3 tools in one: an ash vacuum, a utility vac, and a blower. And compact and convenient onboard storage means it's ready when you need it and out of the way when you don't. Useful, powerful, versatile. The PowerSmith 3-in-1 Ash Vacuum.